Okay, I'm going to give you a room tour of cabin 5239 on the Carnival Horizon. This was a room that we got an upgrade offer on. We upgraded from a porthole room to a Havanna Cabana Room. And we just caught a lucky deal and only had to upgrade for 428 bucks. So this is pretty sweet. Let's check it out. 5239 Carnival Horizon. So as soon as you come in here on the left, and this is actually the cabin that's at the very end of the Havanna Cabana area. You have a closet, comes with your own robes. Got another closet space. And I'd say this shelf probably moves if you want to, yeah. Okay. One more closet. This is where the safe is and some drawers. Behind our bag there is where the mini refrigerator is. Okay. On the other side directly across, we like this. It's a diagonal kind of facing bathroom entry. So going here, we noticed that, you know, the colors kind of goes with the Havanna theme. It's a little darker. But plenty of space to put your stuff. Nice spacey. I like it. Okay.
Something I just found. There's two drawers at the bottom of the couch.
Oh, look at that. That is cool.
I don't know if you can see it really well, but they pull out here.
Oh, that's
extra
cool.
bedding, but this would give you extra space too.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, extra storage for sure.
Yep.
And there's where Ashley is. She's hanging out over here,
And
checking out,
finding stuff and things.
finding stuff and things and nooks and crannies. Okay, so as you can see, the decor is really cool. The couch is awesome. You even get your own towels that say the Havanna Experience. So basically what I'm saying is we kind of bougie on this trip.
Just a little.
We got lucky. We bougie. We don't get to be bougie very often, so we're gonna do it. And then here's the setup of the bed. Even like the different colored pillows, like the extra decorative pillows there.
Did you read what the luggage mat says?
If your luggage likes the mambo, I'll be the dance floor. Well, it'll be the dance floor for our luggage here in a little bit when we unpack it. And now the best part, the selling point. You have your own porch if I can open the door. Oh no, kid. Dun, dun, dun. Comes with a swing. Got some recliners, a table. That swing's pretty sturdy. We already tried it out. Okay, and then the cool thing, you walk right out here, open your gate, go over to the side, and you'll see we're just mere steps from the Havanna area. Right here, seating, hot tub, extra towels. The cool thing about those rooms is you're the only ones that have access to this pool and the hot tub, so there's only a handful of rooms that are like that. Got your own bar, Havanna bar right here. It's really awesome. Alright, that'll be where we end our tour.